In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So at first, open up your Phantom Wallet. If you click on that receive now, you're going to see your different wallet address, right? So I think Solana is the first option. So I don't want to click mine for, I think, privacy reasons. So if you click on the receive, copy your Solana wallet address, open your Binance, right? Click on the so. If you don't have some, so just come on here, type in Solana, right? From the search option, type in so click on it, click on deposit, choose the Solana, right? If you choose the Solana, you're gonna be able to deposit, right? But if you want to withdraw, that is, if you have copied your Solana wallet address from here, open your Binance, click on this withdraw, click on this. Now paste that wallet address here, right? If you paste it here, click on network, select Solana, then choose the amount of so you want to send, right? So once you're done, click on that withdraw. I think you're going to do two verification, right? To be sure that you are the one that is really doing this, the email verification and the authentication verification, right? So this is how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.